Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support video. In this video, we will look at the setup of cross-network programming. In this example 2, the group requirements are that call points are on loop 1 address 1, loop 1 address 5, or loop 2 address 11 on panel 1 will activate the sounder on loop 2 address 19 on panel 2 after a 30-second delay. The sounder is not to respond to any other alarms. So the call points are located on loop 1 on panel 1, address 1 and 5, and loop 2 on panel 1, address 11. And the sounder we want to control is located on panel 2, loop 2, address 19. The first step is to open up the site file for panel 1, go to the group box at the top, and then drag and drop the 3 call points that we require to activate the group and drag them over group number 2 line. I've chosen group number 2. You can use any group you want to. I'm already using group number 1 for other purposes. The call points will then be loaded into the input part of the group selected. The bottom box will remain empty because we don't have any outputs in this part of the group. From the right hand side of the group window, we set the options as follows. We can give the group a name. In this case, I've called it Delay to Sounder on panel 3. You don't have to give it a name, it's just for reference only. The activation mode will be normal, this means any input will fire any output. But in this case, we're going to add a 30-second delay time just here. And we need to make sure that the group is shared, so we tick the shared box here. Next, we open up the site file for panel 2. We go to the group option. Then we drag and drop the sounder onto the same group number that we used on panel 1. So we're going to drag and drop it onto group number 2. That will load the sounder as an output into the group 2 output box just here. Then from the right hand side of the group window, set the group options as follows. So again, we can name the group, give it the same name as we've given it on panel 1. We set the activation mode to normal. We had the same delay time in, so that it matches the group number 1 on panel 1, group number 2 on panel 1. And then we tick the shared box so that this group on panel 2 is shared with the group on panel 1. They must have the same group number to be shared. Next, we highlight the sounder to show its device options on the right hand side. Then we need to change the sounder profile to disabled so that we can change the settings for it. So this is the option here. Hit the drag down box and change it to disabled. That will then show the responses that we can now edit. So in this case, we're going to say that the alarm response is off, zonal response is off, evac response will be off, delay response will be off. But on the group response, we're going to set it to tone A, so it generates tone A for that device. Stage responses can be off, linear alert responses can be off, and the class change is set to off as well. Any of these can be set to on if you require these circumstances to drive the bell as well. But in this case, it will just be the group response that fires that bell. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at www.haes-tech.com.